are your seasonal allergies? Are they bothering you yet? If you are suffering or you're getting ready to because the season's about to change, then definitely jump in on this. We are going to have a live Zoom to go over different herbs that can help you support you during this stressful time of the season's change, because I know some people get really congested, they have migraines, headaches, all of the things. So I want to help you through this. So if you want to learn the herbs that you could potentially use to support you, then comment plans down below. I'll send you over the information so you can find out everything you need to know.